Good day everyone. It's Coach Rido here. It's really nice having you in this course of AI content challenge. So this is our first video, and in this quick video, I'll be showing you how to create AI professional images, faceless for YouTubers, faceless content creators, and co. So without wasting much of our time, let's head straight into the video. So head to your Chrome browser. Head to your Chrome browser and type in AI Studio aistudio.google.com. So good. When you type in this, if you haven't created an account before, it's going to give you a chance to create an account. You just have to sign in with your Google account. Then a verification will be sent to your email. Just follow the process and create yours. So for people like me who had created their account or have this before, so just head straight to Nano Banana. We'll be using Nano Banana, this one, not the Pro. We'll be using the ordinary Nano Banana. So you have to type in a prompt to create your image. So I already have a prepared prompt. I created. So this is it. I said a professional photo of a man sitting at a sleek modern desk wearing a blue design suit jacket. A laptop is open in front of him and is slightly leaning forward with a confident expression. The background is clean and minimal. Keep his face unchanged with no alteration to his identity. So if you generate something like this, it's just going to generate a random man. But we said that we are using this for our faceless content for our YouTube video. So we want we ourselves to show, right? So with that, you have to click on this plus icon here. So click on this plus icon to upload file. You can also take photo. If the photo you want to use is on your drive, you can do that. So I'll be uploading a file. Clicking on upload a file, then photos and videos according to how your gallery looks like. So to do something like this, you need a very sharp image of yours. You need a very sharp and smooth image of yours, because it depends on how smooth your image is. That is what will depend how your outcome will also be. Do you get? So you don't just use anyhow headshot image. You must use a cool image. I don't really have a lot of selfies, but I kind of do one just for this tutorial, and that's what I'll be using now. Okay, I think, yeah, this is it. So this is it. As you can see, the face is somehow clear. Yes, the face is clear. I think this should do. Then after this, to make this go for us, just click on this yellow icon here. It stands for send. So I just click on that and it will start creating my image. Do you get that? So let's just wait for it. It doesn't take much time. And one thing about this aistudio.google.com this Nano Banana feature is that it is really interesting and seamless to use. There's always tokens given to you, and the token is always very much. As you can see, when I opened it, it was at 60 token. At some instance it went to 230, and look at it now, it's at 579 token. Can you see? So you can create as much as possible images for yourself. So let's check out what was created. Can you see? Though there are some quite change in my face, but it depends on the image. Do you get? It depends on the image you use. So this is just for a tutorial purpose. If you want to use yours, make sure you use an image that is very sharp and really representing you. Also, the image I used fully the full part of my face wasn't sure, you get, but this still looks like me. Actually, it really looks like me. So to download, just click on this icon here to download. Let me show you guys. Click on this is it. Yeah, so click on this to download, and it will be downloaded to your phone gallery. So as you can see, file downloaded. Yeah, file downloaded. Can you see it here? Yes, file downloaded. This is it, file downloaded. So that is that about that. That is how to create your Nano Banana image. Do you get that? See you in the next video, where I'll be teaching you how to do something better. So see you in the next video.